Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Tento. It's math time on Monday, January 4th, 2021. Today, you're starting a new chapter, and it looks like this page. And on the back of this, it says, I praise you because I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Your works are wonderful. I know that full well. And that's Psalm 139:14. Now, we're looking at this, and on this page, we're going to learn about, it says, find and circle a purple rectangle, an orange circle, an orange triangle, a blue triangle, a pink star, and a pink triangle. Wow. I don't know if you know all those words yet. Let's go through some things that have a certain look to them. You know your little erasers? Do you know what that square size is? I gave it away. It's a square. It has four sides that are exactly the same, and their angles, those little pointy parts, it's called the angle. They are the same length and width. It's a square with equal sides. Okay? And this one, ha ha ha. If I flip it over, you'll see what it is. It is a circle. It goes all the way around, and from the inside point, it's the same distance to each outer part. So that is a circle. A triangle has three sides, but they don't have to necessarily be the same. They just have to have three angles, and it's a closed figure, meaning it's not open anywhere. So that's a triangle. Now, a rectangle, oh, I think you know this, my line maker. See just the blue part? Two long sides that are exactly the same length, and then the height. The two side ones are the same, and that makes a rectangle. I see another rectangle. My phone is a rectangle. See the two sides that are the same, and the height is the same, so the length and the height are the same. So there we go. That's another rectangle. I could hold it this way and it would still be a rectangle. All right, let's see what other ones. Oh, and a star. I think you all know what a star is, but I think that they want you to find a star, and I'm going to draw a star for you so that you remember the kind of star they're looking for is one that has 5 points, and I do that one by drawing, it looks like a 7 first. I do that first, and then I draw a line straight up through the middle and make another line like that, and then like that. And your star will look similar to that. There we go. Okay, so we've got those down. So here I'll give you directions again and give you a little time on it. What you're going to do is you're going to find, here it says, a purple rectangle. Remember, a rectangle has two sides that are long and the same size, and two that might be shorter and are the same length. So you look for the rectangle and you're going to circle it. The next one is circle an orange circle. And I think you know what the orange circle is. Here's our next one. Just circle it. Then you're going to find an orange triangle. Well, there's quite a few little orange triangles that I can see. Look carefully and you'll find those orange triangles. And here's the next one, a blue triangle. Now make sure you look at everything on that page. Remember, a triangle has three sides, and there's like 3 points on it. Okay, let's look at the next one. A pink star. Look closely for that star. It's kind of an animal. That's a clue. The star. There's a couple little animals there, but there's a couple little pink star. Well, no, there's a purple star and a pink star. All right, and the last one is a pink triangle. A pink triangle. So you'll have to look carefully for that pink triangle. It might be hard to tell if it's pink or it's red. I'll take either one. Okay. Pink, I think that I don't see anything that looks, well, one looks red, one looks pink. Oh, it's a little bit hard. Okay, so when you're done that, let's go over to the next page. It's our page 33 today. Let me make sure I have that page. So here we are. Oh, but what did they add to this lesson? First of all, put your name up here and I will find what they added because I have it right on my little mouse pad. My new mouse pad has it on, and I think you know what it is because it's one of my favorite things in our classroom. So here we go. Let's look at this page now. Here is our rectangle. Remember, it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides, and it looks like a doorway if I hold it like this, or it looks like a tabletop if I hold it like this, and that is our rectangle. Here is our square. All the sides are exactly the same, and every angle is the same. Those little pointy places are called the angles. And here is our triangle because it has 3 angles. Tri means 3. T-R-I means 3. T-R-Y means do your best. Try. But this is tri meaning 3. T-R-I, triangle. And then here is the one that you know I know about because remember what bees make? They make a hexagon, and it's one of the strongest structures that is known. And a lot of architects and different engineers like to use a hexagon because of its strength. There we go. Now, down here, it says draw pictures to complete the table. Now, if you forget, look at this word that's highlighted. A rectangle is a shape with 4 sides and 4 square corners. Oh my goodness, a rectangle. It does. It's a shape with 4 sides and 4 square corners. There's the corners, or the angles, corners. We'll call them corners for this sake of this. So you're going to draw your own rectangle right there. This one says a square is a rectangle with 4 sides that are the same length. Remember I talked about that? They have the same exact length. They don't have anything different. They look like that. All right. You can draw that. You can use crayon or pencil. I think crayon would be fine. If you have crayons with you, you're going to need crayons for the next side. So here we go. On the next part, it says, a triangle is a shape with 3 sides. Do you see the triangle up here? There it is, 3 sides and 3 corners. And then here's the hexagon. You'll take your time and do this with mom and dad. A hexagon is a shape with 6 sides. And 6 sides, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 sides. A really strong structure. Now, once you're done drawing these 4 items, you're going down to the bottom and it says color an A-B pattern. Remember A-B, it's going to be A-B, A-B. Every A is going to be the same color, every B. So you might do red, blue, or you could do purple, pink, or black, orange, or brown, yellow, whatever too. But remember, they repeat and repeat and repeat. And the A is always going to be the same color, and the B is always going to be the other color. Now, if you look at this side, it says, use the colors in the box below. So every square is going to be colored red. Every hexagon, like the honeybee, is going to be colored yellow. That's helpful. If you remember the shape that the honeybees like, and that they make in their beehive, the hexagon, then you'll remember the yellow is the color. And then here is our triangle is blue. So you have to find triangles and color them blue. Hexagons are yellow and squares are red. That leaves our last one. Rectangles are green. Remember the rectangles that look like doors? Okay. And at the bottom of this, it says color each row of shapes in a pattern. Label your pattern. So if I would like you to do at least 2 different kinds of patterns, not just A, B, A, B. You could do another A, B, but the next one should be either A, B, B, or A, B, C, or A, B, B, or A, B, A, B. Remember, there's lots of different patterns, but you have to do a repeating pattern on each one. So that's what you're going to do to finish your paper. I hope you do great on this. I think you will. You know what you're doing. All right. Ask mom or dad or a friend, brother or sister to help you if you can't remember the directions, or play this again. All right. We'll see you on the next lesson. Bye-bye, boys and girls.